friends, husband, wife, children, neighbors, work. In all our daily activities, something or the other happens which makes us wonder and question ourselves, why is this happening to me? Who is responsible for it? Who should I thank for it? Who should I blame for it? Is there anything I can do to change it? Is there anything somebody can do to change it? What is that thing I need to do to change it? ऐसा ख्याल आता है कि नहीं सारे दिन में? सबको आता है, आपको सबको आता है. And when these thoughts come to our minds, what do? We look for whom to blame. We blame her, we blame him, X, Y, Z. And if we have nobody else to blame, where does the finger go?
Destiny. Nothing.
Up. God. God's play, उसकी लीला, उसकी मर्जी, उसकी वजह से हो रहा है. He wants it. That's why it's happened. And why do we do that? Because right from our childhood, it is ingrained in our minds कि इस सृष्टि पे जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, whatever is happening, it is happening as per God's will. And then people will tell you, if you ask them कि ये God's will की वजह से हो रहा है, you will get emails on your Facebook, on Thought for Today. Everybody will tell you whatever is happening with you is for this reason, and if something bad is happening, they tell you, He has also given you the power, that is why He is given it to you. कि तुम में क्षमता है इसको दूर करने के लिए, इसीलिए तुम्हें दिया है ये दुख, दूसरे को नहीं दिया है. खुश भी कर देते हैं साथ में. होता है कि नहीं ऐसे? एवरी डे यू गेट थॉट फॉर टुडे वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. फॉर अ मोमेंट थिंक, if it is happening because of God's will, and God is supposed to be good, would He like His children to suffer? Very plain, practical question. All of you are parents. If I ask you to write the destiny of your child at this moment, just close your eyes for 1 minute, please. Think of your child, children, anybody. Mentally, you did not speak out. Write the destiny of your child. His health. If you don't have children, anyone near, dear to you. Wealth, education, marriage, family life, progress in all aspects of life. Can you write anything negative? क्योंकि जो आप सोचोगे वो होने वाला है. नहीं लोग सोचते ना. तो how when कैन वी ब्लेम गॉड कि जो हमारे साथ हो रहा है, गलत हो रहा है, दुख पहुंचा रहा है, उसने हमारे लिए लिखा है? टोटल मिथ. As we go along, we will discover it how. We are sitting here, ladies and gentlemen, to rationally think about it, to churn these questions in our mind which have been deeply ingrained since our childhood, and then arrive at a solution which is absolutely correct and appeals to our heart. The aim is that. नहीं तो अभी तक हम लोग क्या करते आए हैं? हमने कहा एवरीथिंग इज गॉड्स विल. हम कहते हैं हाँ जी.
These things are put by parents in the child and the mind.
पेरेंट्स, सोसाइटी, टीचर्स, एनवायरनमेंट, जो भी है. एंड with God as the blame game has developed an industry in this Srishti to capitalize on it. हम लोग क्या जाते हैं? मंडे गॉड किसी टेम्पल में, देन वी गो टू अ ट्यूसडे गॉड, देन अ वेडनेसडे गॉड, देन अ थर्सडे गॉड, एंड अ फ्राइडे गॉड, एंड एवरीडे गॉड. हर एक के सामने जाते हैं, हे प्रभु मुझे इस दुख कष्ट से दूर कर. And when we go there, what do? We strike a deal with God. कि तू ये कर देगा तो मैं 40 दिन तेरे पास जरूर आऊंगा, या मैं सोने का मुकुट पहना दूंगा. It is fashion nowadays. Somewhere I see सोने का मुकुट and सोने का चेन and सोने का हार. We have turned our relationship with God, and there is only one God. सभी कहे गए हैं there is only one God. नाम अलग अलग तो. We have created a business and a deal out of it. और फिर हम भगवान को भी नहीं छोड़ते हैं. There is a second rung of business venture which comes out. टेम्पल के बाद जाने के बाद कोई हमें कहता है इस एस्ट्रोलॉजर पास जाओ. हम उस एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास पहुंच जाते हैं. I don't mean any disrespect to any profession or any knowledge. They are all scientific and they have their value in their own way. कुंडली देखता है, आपकी जन्म पत्री देखता है, वो बोलता है ये आपको आने वाला है कष्ट. It is quite like if I go to a doctor. Hello. If I go to a doctor for my tests and after checking me up, he says भाई जो आसार, जो टेस्ट के ये रिजल्ट हैं उससे अंदेशा है कि तुम अगर ऐसी there are two type of people like this now. One type who will come back and say कि हाय हाय मेरे को तो डायबिटीज होना ही, उसने पकड़ लिया है वगैरह 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 वगैरह. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस? इंस्टेड ऑफ 6 महीना आई गेट डायबिटीज इन 3 months बिकॉज आई हैव प्रोग्राम्ड माय ब्रेन कि इसने जो बोला है वो मेरे को होगा ही होगा. देयर इज अनदर सेट ऑफ पीपल, सेम सिचुएशन, who will come back and say कि let me reorganize and regulate my life, let me go for exercises in the morning, let me control my diet, let me sleep well, let me not have stress and strain. उसको डायबिटीज होने वाला है? नहीं होगा. सेम थिंग विद एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स. वो कहते हैं तुम्हें अंदेशा है, और खुदा ना खास्ता दैट पॉसिबिलिटी which the astrologer has said, it's only a possibility. We और फिर अपने साथ होने लगता है. फिर मैं क्या करता हूँ, आप क्या करती हैं, आप क्या और आप क्या करते हो, अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताते हैं यार वो तो एस्ट्रोलॉजर बहुत अच्छा है, उसके पास जरूर जाओ, वो पक्का नक्की बता देता है. न सिर्फ बता देता है, वो उपाय भी फिर करता है. क्या करेगा? आपको एक रिंग पहना देगा, लाल पीले नीले ब्राउन पत्थर वाले. किसी पंडित के पास जाओ, वो लोग क्या कहते हैं? उपवास करो, ये करो, वो करो, चढ़ावा डालो. I have dug out in the last 10 days beautiful clippings from newspapers to substantiate what I have just uttered, and you will see the humor in it. Madam, can you read it?
Zodiac power ring has changed.
Zodiac power ring has changed my chart tune.
रात को 12 बजे टीवी में यही
I
होता है
have
सब.
seen फिल्म, अरे टीवी पे जो फिल्म स्टार्स हैं ना, इनके जो
हाँ.
हाथों में बहुत सारे फिंगर्स पे.
मैडम, मेरे को भी 50,000 लाख रुपया दो एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए, मैं भी पहन के चलूंगा. If-
On the advertisement,
Superstitious.
in the serials.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
वो
And then I
superstitious.
have read the articles about Amitabh Bachchan. He was in very much financial crisis and
Yeah.
all that. He changed his bungalow ka name and Vastu and all that, and he become now superstar.
वास्तु का भी एक और थिंग आई विल टेक ऑन सिंस यू हैव मेंशन्ड वास्तु. फिर आप वास्तु वाले के पास जाते हो, वास्तु वाला बताता है हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में झगड़ा होता है बिकॉज योर रूम इज इन साउथ वेस्ट, इट शुड बी नॉर्थ ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट, गॉट नो समथिंग एल्स बट एक्सेप्टिंग वेयर यू आर स्टेइंग. आप क्या करते हो? रूम चेंज करते हो, डायरेक्शन चेंज करते हो, कलर चेंज करते हो, हाइट चेंज करते हो, यहाँ पे ये तस्वीर लगाते हो, वहाँ पे यो करते हो.
लेकिन अपनी थिंकिंग नहीं चेंज करती.
They tell you to do everything which gives them money because that's a money spinner. But if he tells you, please change your mind, please change your thought, please change your attitude, please change your behavior, costs nothing. Why should he tell you that?
They will not tell.
They will never tell you that.
They will tell with शनि पूजा.
हाँ. So अगर आपको कोई कहे कि आपका फ्यूचर इन वजह से बदल सकता है, I urge you in my personal capacity to say thank you very much, very kind of you. आपके कर्मों का अकाउंट कोई नहीं बदल सकता है, वो आपने ही बैलेंस करना है. यू हैव टू बैलेंस इट आउट. दिस ज़ोडिएक रिंग इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर. From the time I gave the last talk to this talk, it is exactly 3 weeks, and 3 weeks का एक पेपर मैंने निकाला. ये दूसरे वीक का पेपर है. What does this say, madam?
The same zodiac power ring took me out of trouble.
It took me out of trouble. और यहाँ पे उसने कहा है change my fortune.
Yeah.
Marketing gimmick.
Not only this, even the Rudraksha Mala. ये
सभी कुछ.
सभी कुछ. And my dream come.
मेरे सपने साकार हो गए. और सबसे बड़ी बात, सेम रिंग, सेम थिंग. आप मजे की बात देखिए, मार्केटिंग टेक्निक उसने किसका फोटो साथ में छापा है इस बार? नरेंद्र मोदी. और नरेंद्र मोदी पहनता भी नहीं है. नरेंद्र मोदी पहनता ही नहीं. यही एस्ट्रोलॉजी, शनि मंदिर जाओ, ग्रह करो, ये करो, वो करो. लुक एट द मार्केटिंग टेक्निक. नरेंद्र मोदी पहनता भी नहीं है. यू कैन गो टू हिम 7 रेस कोर्स रोड, मीट हिम, सी हिम. कभी नहीं. लोकसभा में डीडी पे वो लाइव चैनल पे होता, आप देखोगे कुछ नहीं पहना हुआ है. All because of karams. Remember, your destiny, your future is karmic in nature. Coming to this point, some of you are from the medical profession. There are 2 types of medicines, public treatment. One is known as the placebo effect. वो कहते हैं पेशेंट आता है, कोई भी बीमारी बताता है, उसको आप कुछ भी दे दो, बोलो ये इफेक्ट है, चाहे वो शुगर पिल हो, व्हाइट पिल हो, उस पे इफेक्ट करेगी. इसका लाइव एग्जाम्पल है. देयर वाज अ स्टडी कैरिड आउट बाय अ मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी इन अमेरिका वेयर पेशेंट्स with knee problem were divided into 2 categories. और सबको ये बताया गया था कि ऑपरेशन करोगे तभी ठीक होगा. जनरली द सेम स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ खराबी इन द नीज. एक ग्रुप को उन्होंने टेबल पे लटाया, एनेस्थीसिया दिया, ऑपरेशन बिल्कुल नहीं किया। दूसरे ग्रुप को ऑपरेशन किया। जिन पे ऑपरेशन नहीं भी किया था, दे वर वॉकिंग एंड बाउंसिंग एंड दे डिडंट नो उनके ऊपर ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ वनी का। 2 years later, when it was revealed to this person जिसका ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ थोड़ा चीर फाड़ करके ऐसे ही सी दिया था, he was told, you are moving your knees like this, and do you know no operation has been done? He says, I don't know. This is the placebo effect. The second effect is the nocebo effect. Have you heard of nocebo effect? जहां आप में डर पैदा कर देते कि ये नहीं किया तो तुमको ये होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा. Which is what, with due regards to all pandits, astrologers, zodiac sign walas, whatever they do, vastu walas, they do this. They give you hope. Either they plant fear or they give you hope. Nothing else. आपका क्या होता है? पैसा जाता है, हार्ड अर्न्ड मनी.
And जिसको रिंग से अफेक्ट होता है, अच्छा, that is because of this.
This.
भाई आया God से तो मेरे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने वाले.
एक और एडवर्टाइजमेंट यहाँ पे, क्या नाड़ी और समथिंग, सॉल्यूशंस फॉर योर प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर योर थंब प्रिंट. इतना सब लिखने के बाद, अच्छा होप देने के बाद, छोटा सा सेंटेंस में, वी प्रोवाइड रेमेडीज ऑल्सो. इफ ह्यूमन बींग्स कुड प्रोवाइड रेमेडी, दिस मैन probably would be living in Rashtrapati Bhavan and not doing his business from Gala number 9, Chawl number 24, Chembur.
And maximum नाम उनका बंगाली.
ट्रेनों में लिखा होता बंगाली बाबा. सब लिखा हुआ है, टाई पहन के हीरो की तरह फोटो खिंचवाए. ऑल दिस अगेन, आई मीन, डोंट मीन टू कैस्टिगेट एनीबॉडी. इसने लिखा एस्ट्रोलॉजी करता है, जेमस्टोन्स देता है, वास्तु करता है. अगर वास्तु से ठीक चीजें होने लगी तो फिर प्रॉब्लम ही क्या था दुनिया में?
money making business.
टोटल. आप सोचो ना, हम लोगों ने हस्बैंड वाइफ की बात की वास्तु में कि रूम चेंज करो सब ठीक होगा. रूम से नहीं होता भाई, तुम चेंज होगे तब सब ठीक होगा.
Vastu is the worst. ये डोर ये तरफ करो, ये रखो.
पापी पेट का सवाल है. A couple of I must go through these newspapers.
ब्रेड बटर कमाना है.
छोटे छोटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट लोकेटेड इन चॉल्स एंड गाला नंबर 24. बिग शॉप, एयर कंडीशन एस्ट्रोलॉजी. जाओगे प्रेडिक्शंस करने, देखोगे आदमी ने इतना खर्चा किया, एंड दे विल कोट 5-10 नेम्स. आई ऑल्सो डू एस्ट्रोलॉजी फॉर सेलिब्रिटीज, लिखा हुआ है. तो आप सोचोगे यार अमिताभ बच्चन जाता है, वो बेवकूफ तो नहीं. आप भी जाओगे, मैं भी जाऊंगा. Not only that, this line of creating and assuring you of a good future has taken over the marketing in something which is very sacred. बच्चों का भविष्य and education. Any institute will advertise like this कि we will give you a bright future. It doesn't happen only in India. It happens abroad also. And if you want to test this, ask thousands of Indian students who have gone based on such advertisements to 2nd, 3rd grade colleges in Ukraine, Russia, England, America, everywhere. The power of giving hope, creating faith and belief in you, all wrong. Right? Okay. Having said this about gods, astrologers, vastuwalas, and everything brings us to the question of, is everything predestined, preordained? Yes or no, madam? It is. It is.
Could be.
Could be. Don't know.
No, we have free will.
We have free will.
Yes.
The second question comes up. Can you create your destiny? Yes or no?
Yes, you can.
You can. Anybody else who can create or change his destiny?
Because what you are today, past, what you will be in the future depends on today.
There are two fundamental laws. The first law is the law of cause and effect. जो करोगे वैसा होगा. उसका जो effect होगा will be a cause for another thing for you to do. Law of cause and effect. From this beautiful law emanates the law of karma. Karma is your actions, and what you said now we will take off from there. The second fundamental law of life is the law of self-belief. वो कहते हैं ना, अगर आपको अपने ऊपर विश्वास है आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. When we go to an astrologer, मैं उस भगवान पे भी विश्वास अपना कुछ हद तक छोड़ देता हूँ, अपने आप पे छोड़ देता हूँ. I go to a पत्थर वाला, a वास्तु वाला, an astrologer and what have you. And what do these people do? They play on your fears. You have given away your power. A couple of months ago, there was a very beautiful program called Satyamev Jayate. How many of you have seen it?
इसका अमिताभ का ये अमेरिका
उसमें there was an episode about doctors, the medical fraternity, and one of the doctors uttered a very profound statement. He said, when people come to us, those who come to us with fear, we can do anything with them. Anything means anything. When people come to us with fear, we can do anything with them. इसकी वजह से ही आप देखते हो कितने किडनी जो निकलने नहीं चाहिए निकलते हैं, जो ऑपरेशन होने नहीं चाहिए करते हैं. Some doctors who have no ethics do it. Most doctors don't. But that's what makes the world. So please remember these two fundamental laws. The law of cause and effect, from which emanates the law of karma, action. And the second law is the law of self-belief. All of us have come here, we are souls in a journey to settle a karmic account. When we began this talk, we asked a question, why me? Why is it happening to me? In all other talks here, people had a beautiful computer, a beautiful laptop. They would put their pen drive, make a presentation. I have done it too in the past. Today, laptop is not working. So some karmic account I have to settle. Only thing I do not know what that karmic account is. And what that karmic account of you, me, she, her, all of us is here, we will discuss in another 5 minutes. Past, present, future. This is what encompasses our life. And what is the popular saying and belief? Live in the present. Live in the now. And what is the now? It is the past visiting you. If, madam, I am your business partner, we sit down to a meeting, we have a heated argument, the meeting finishes for that day, next meeting takes place after 10 days. What will be the fate of that meeting? It will start with acrimony on a negative note. 2 weeks after that, the next meeting on a more enemy note, quoted words. And it may lead to us not even dealing with each other, not to even speaking with each other. Till, and this is very important, one of us decides to say, enough. जो हो गया, भूल जाओ. Let's restart on a fresh note. Please note, one of us, not both of us, any one of us can start. How will the next meeting be? Nice, happy, start on a pleasanter note, and the interactions will be healthy, will be friendly. This is also what happens in personal relations. Totally, you can transplant this example into your personal relations. The present is nothing else but the past visiting you. And what you are doing in the present is
preparing for the future.
It is determining your future. You can't change the past. The present you have to control, and your future is going to be golden. Let's say in this group that is over here.
Past is disturbing us. Past memories are creating a problem.
Yeah, we'll come to that. Memories will come, actions will come, memories, actions, etc. will come to it. Let's say in this gathering, Mr. X gets up and he abuses me. For whatever reasons, what should be my reaction to him? What I normally do is 90% of the people respond tit for tat. 90%. What my response to him should be? ये उसका कर्म है. My कर्म to him should be gentle. Maybe he will say, hypothetically, कि I was first bad towards him, so last meeting में, so he is responded and what I label insulted me. I can't do about anything about my past to him. कर दिया, माफी मांग सकता हूँ. Which is why in the Jainas and many other faiths, they have a day dedicated to it to ask for Shama. I don't know what exactly it is called. Does anyone know? Yeah. Machchami Dukkham. Very beautiful concept. If on no other day you have the courage to say sorry, you say sorry for all your acts done, not done, जाने में, अनजाने से, जिसमें दुख पहुंचाया है, माफ कर दो. So I cannot do anything about my past, because of which he felt aggrieved and he insulted me. What do I do now? I can start a new karma. I can't ignore what he... Can I ignore what he says? No. You can never ignore anything that anybody has done to you. It'll, as he says, memory, कहीं ना कहीं किसी तह में जाके छुप जाएगा और ऐन मौके पे, गलत मौके पे निकलेगा. You can never ignore a thing. Please don't try to ignore a thing. But how to respond, how to react to it is within your hands now. The whole belief of karmic action and karmic account is based on these simple things of meetings which I conveyed to him about his behavior to me based on my behavior to him and my response to him. हम लोग सब यहाँ पे अपना कार्मिक अकाउंट सेटल करने आए हैं. What is your age? Say, what's your age? Tell it. Okay. What's your age? Okay, born today. Somebody is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, whatever be your age. What is the age of your shirt?
Sure.
This is known as entanglement of your presence of mind. कोई बात नहीं, होता है. चलिए.
I would like to ask you, like, if you ignore, I don't mean want to say ignore, but if you चलाओगे क्योंकि उसने बोल दिया, चलो माफ कर दिया. So people will take it for granted कि ये तो ऐसा ही है, उसको और चाटा मारो.
We are coming to that. I'll come to that. I'll answer your question. हाँ. Your shirt. 4 साल. आपकी शर्ट.
4-5 महीना.
4-5 महीना. Very good. आपके कपड़े कितने पुराने या नए हैं? Yes, sir.
2 months.
This is to ensure participation. 2 months. So she's एक कपड़ा है जो आपने बाहर से पहना हुआ है और एक जो आप ये बता रहे हो कि मैं 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 साल का हूं. Your body, this flesh and blood is 20, 30, 40, 60 years old. आप सोल कितने पुराने हो? उस सोल की एज कितनी है? इमॉर्टल. बहुत पुराना सोल है, कितने सदियों से आ रहा है. एंड इमेजिन जब आप यहां थे और ये यहां थी और वो वहां थे, एक साथ थे, तो वो झड़प जब हुई होगी और उस वक्त सेटल ना हो सका अकाउंट, इस लाइफ में तो सेटल करना ही करना है. टुडे सर, आई लेंड यू 10,000 rupees. You are wearing a white shirt. I am wearing a blue shirt. मैं आता हूं अगले मंडे यहां पे, आप भी आते हो यहां मंडे. मैंने व्हाइट शर्ट पहन रखी है, आपने ब्लू शर्ट पहन रखी है. आपने फिर भी मुझे देना है या नहीं देना है वो 10,000 रुपए? देना है ना. चोगा बदल गया, कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज हो गया, कपड़े बदल गए, लेकिन हिसाब तो बराबर करना है ना. टेक इट फर्दर. हम लोग 1 साल बाद मिलते हैं. जिस हाथ से मैंने आपको 10 रुपया दिया था, मेरा हाथ कट गया है. फिर भी आपने मुझे वो 10,000 देने हैं कि नहीं देने हैं? देने हैं. इमेजिन 50 साल बाद, 7 साल बाद, 100 साल बाद हम लोग मिले नहीं थे, इन्होंने दिया नहीं था. अगले जन्म में कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी वजह से मिले हैं. वो हिसाब चुकता करना है नहीं करना है? तो इस जन्म में इसी हिसाब से हम सब अपना हिसाब एक दूसरे के साथ चुकता कर रहे हैं. Out of the 291 people who are on the rolls of help library, why is it only we who are here? There are some of you who have been here for previous lectures. Some of you have not been here at all. Why are we connected today? कार्मिक अकाउंट सेटल कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को बताने का कि व्हाट इज गुड, व्हाट इज बैड और कैसे अपनी जिंदगी सुधारनी है. Having said that, a very strong belief system gets challenged. And what is that belief system? What about twins? एक घर में दो ट्विन पैदा होते हैं, सेम टाइम, सेम पेरेंट, सेम हॉस्पिटल, सेम नक्षत्र, सेम ग्रह, दिखने में भी तकरीबन एक जैसे होते हैं, लेकिन देयर जर्नी इन लाइफ इज डिफरेंट। ऐसा क्यों? इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ योर कार्मिक खाता, टू एक्सप्लेन विच आई मस्ट टेल यू हाउ आर ह्यूमन बींग्स बॉर्न। किसी को पता आप लोग कैसे पैदा होते हैं? हम लोग कैसे सोल पैदा होता है? आई एम श्योर सम ऑफ यू नो इट। ओके, आई विल रिपीट इट।
If you mean we choose parents or something?
हाँ जी, वो भी होता है। When a soul is to be born, the supreme power presents to him a number of parents who have the similar karma as this soul. And he is given the freedom to choose which parent he wants to be born with. When the soul is born out of these parents, which he has chosen himself, he inherits his own karma. वो जो लेन देन किसी के साथ बाकी था, दुश्मनी था, वीकनेस बोला, गाली दिया, रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया, he is born with his own karmic account, balance sheet. And he inherits the karma of his father, he inherits the karma of his mother. So all of us who are here are a combination initially of these three karmic accounts. वो कंपनी में होता है ना कि कंपनी का XYZ मर गया तो फिर भी कंपनी ने हिसाब चुकता करना पड़ता है। बैंक से लोन भी लेते हैं, वो गारंटर लिखवाता है ना कि आप गए तो ये देगा, हिसाब चुकता करना है। आफ्टर as you grow up, there are something known as samskaras. Samskaras are the impressions of your word, action, thought, which get ingrained in your chakras. We'll have a separate lesson on chakras. Samskaras are your impressions of thought, word, speech and action which get thappa लगाउड in your various chakras. आपने बुरा बोला यहाँ पे, दुश्मनी से देखा हार्ट चक्रा में हो गया, आपने किसी को मोलेस्ट किया वगैरह इन द लोअर चक्रास. इस हिसाब से these impressions have a deep rooted impact on your karmic account. And based on these karmic accounts, therefore, you have to settle with whoever you are associated with for hisab kurta. Which is why Mahatma Gandhi said, कि even a ill thought is a sin. If I think of chori karoing or maroing his purse, whether I maro or not, even the thought itself gets imprinted in my chakras and my karmic account में नेगेटिव पॉइंट हो गया और उसका हिसाब मैंने चुकाना है. आपने 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 हम सब ने अच्छे कर्म भी करते हैं, बुरे कर्म भी करते हैं, गुड पॉइंट्स, बैड पॉइंट्स. एनीबडी अ डॉक्टर हियर? Let's say, since we are in a health library, I'll talk about doctors. Since I am a doctor, और अ बिजनेसमैन। मैंने इनसे जो 10,000 रुपया लिया था, आई चीटेड हिम। और इनकी पूरी पूंजी 10,000 की थी जिंदगी में। इट कैन बी लैक्स, करोड़, वट एवर। मैंने सब इनका लूट लिया। व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट? न सिर्फ इनका पैसा गया, इनको टेंशन हुई, इनका परिवार नष्ट हो गया, ये खुद हार्ट के मरीज हो गए और इनको दुख, कष्ट और मृत्यु आ गई। ये तो चले गए, मैंने इनके साथ हिसाब बराबर नहीं किया हुआ है। नेक्स्ट लाइफ में मैं आया, मैंने क्या किया? एक अस्पताल खोला। उस अस्पताल में मैं फ्री ट्रीटमेंट भी देता हूं, हार्ट के मरीजों का फ्री इलाज करता हूं। मैंने 1000 लोगों का फ्री इलाज किया हार्ट का। सो 1000 गुड कर्मास, 1 बैड कर्मा। What should I be? Plus 999? Right or wrong? Yes?
No.
No. Yes, no. वो जो 999 गुड कर्मास हैं, उसका सुख आप जरूर भोगोगे, बट आपने उस 1 गलत कर्मा, बैड कर्मा का भी भुगतान करना है। Which is why you will find many people who appear to be well off, well settled, prosperous, living in ABC, Rajmahals and bungalows and God knows what have you. उनके परिवार में आप ढूंढेंगे बच्चा ड्रग्स का शिकार है, बीमार है, वाइफ हस्बैंड में अनबन है, इतनी अनबन है कि इट इज वर्स देन इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर। क्यों? इट इज दैट 1 कार्मिक अकाउंट। सब चीजों का हिसाब आपको मिलेगा, आपने चुकता करना है। If somebody, I repeat, tells you कि मैं आपका कार्मिक अकाउंट सुधार दूंगा, आप ये ब्रेसलेट पहन लो, आप ये ब्लू सफायर, येलो सफायर, ग्रीन सफायर पहन लो, ये मूंगा पहन लो, ये पर्ल पहन लो, ये इस मंदिर में 50 बार जाओ, गरीबों को दान दो। गुड एक्ट्स, आई रिस्पेक्ट ऑल ऑफ देम। कार्मिक अकाउंट नहीं सेटल होगा। कार्मिक अकाउंट आपने सेटल करना है, और जितना जल्दी आप सेटल करोगे उतना सुख आपके इस जीवन में होगा, और जब भी आप कभी फिर पैदा होते हैं जरूर होगा। We run a very beautiful organization. It's called Ekam Dhyanam. We gather at my home every full moon day, and we believe in celebrating life through music, song, dance and meditation. And everybody who gathers there resolves one resolution only: to be a better human being. I repeat, to be a better human being. How? In very simple ways. What is the first word here, madam? Stay blessed. How do you stay blessed? आप जिंदगी के में याद रखना, जब और कुछ न काम करे, blessings will always work for you. आप 1000 स्ट्रैटेजी ट्राई करो, पैतरे तैयार करो, प्लानिंग करो, ये करो, वो करो, कुछ काम न करे तो प्लीज याद रखना ये ब्लेसिंग्स काम करेंगी। वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ एग्जाम्पल, आप एप्पल्स खरीदने जाती हैं? आप एप्पल खरीदने जाओ मार्केट में, वो फ्रूट वाला आपसे कहता है, मैडम मेरे एप्पल आज इतने फ्रेश नहीं हैं, मेरे से मत खरीदो. Go and buy from that chap. He's got a consignment from New Bombay today itself, morning. I have got 3 days old. आप क्या करोगे? उसके पास जाके अच्छे एप्पल खरीद के लाओगे. And when you come back home, what will this lady do? 24 घंटे, जो आप मेमोरी की बात कर रहे थे ना, मेमोरीज, इंप्रेशन रहेगा कि यार वो फ्रूट वाला कितना अच्छा है, उसने अपना नफा नुकसान नहीं सोचा, मेरे बारे में सोचा. थिंक ऑफ अदर्स. लेसन लर्न, थिंक ऑफ अदर्स. वो बेचारा गरीब है, कल तक तो उसके एप्पल सड़ भी जाएंगे. ही कुड इजली पास्ड इट ऑन टू मी. उसने अपना ना सोच के मेरा सोचा. व्हाट विल यू डू? You will not only tell 10 friends, every other time in your life you will go and buy apples, and those 10 people whom you have told will also go and buy apples from him. And those 10 will tell another 10. उसका क्या हुआ? फायदा. और फायदा क्यों हुआ? Because her blessings doesn't mean I bless you only. Blessing is through good thoughts, thinking good of another person. He thought good of you. आपके बच्चे बीमार नहीं पड़े, आपकी फैमिली बीमार नहीं पड़ी क्योंकि उसने सड़ा एप्पल नहीं दिया, and you thought good of him. That is a blessing. So in life, remember, there is nothing known as competition. आपका सुख इसी में है कि आप कंपटीशन वर्ड को अपनी डिक्शनरी से हटा दो एंड कैरी एवरीबडी अलोंग टुगेदर. उसकी तरक्की में आपकी तरक्की होगी. हार्मनी. नो कंपटीशन विथ एनीबडी. कंपटीशन is the worst disease in today's world, planted by people who have made a dhanda out of things and life. Many of you, Bombay is a commercial city, you will say ये तो possible नहीं है. कंपटीशन तो कंपटीशन है. अरे यार वो अपनी जगह है, तुम अपनी जगह अपना काम करो, आगे निकलते जाओ. इट इज़ लाइक 2 trains गोइंग ऑन द रेल पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. वो अपनी डेस्टिनेशन जाता है, तुम अपनी डेस्टिनेशन चलो. एक स्लो ट्रेन है, एक फास्ट ट्रेन है. किसी ने कहीं उतरना है, किसी ने आगे उतरना है. इन द एंड द रेस इज ओनली विथ योर सेल्फ, नॉट अगेंस्ट एनीबडी. Stay blessed. Stay happy. खुश रहें. A happy mind will never have any enemy. A happy mind will never have any ill thoughts for anybody. आप जब खुश होते हो सर, किसी को गाली दे सकते हो, झगड़ा कर सकते हो, you laughing. Even otherwise. How beautiful. How beautiful. Stay happy. Next one is spread joy. सिर्फ खुद खुश रहना काफी नहीं है. Your life is a success if you have put a smile on another person's face. And as many faces as you can put a smile, the happier you are and the more joy you are spreading, and greater blessings will come unto you. Try it out. I have a very wonderful friend. She wakes up in the morning and first thing she says is, I resolve once again, not for today, I resolve once again that my day will start by spreading joy, by helping others, and my day will end with spreading joy and helping others. And she has lived by this resolve. Every day it's a resolve and it doesn't end. आज इस अस्पताल में, कल उस गरीब को मदद कर रही है, कल कुछ और कर रही है. Always spreading joy. Next, madam, stay inspired. Who are the happiest people on earth?
Kids.
Children. उत्साह से भरपूर. That is what your life should be. जब आप उत्साह से, बच्चों में कभी दुश्मनी होती है, झगड़ा भी करते हैं, एक हाथ मारते हैं, तू मैं 5 मिनट में पेरेंट्स आर फाइटिंग, दे हैव बिकम फ्रेंड्स. True or not? Stay inspired like a child always. Think of the happiness. They don't have an agenda. They have only one agenda, happiness. खेलना है, खुश रहना है, साथ में मिलके करना है. Their only point against each other, if ever, is कि मेरे को टीम में खेलने नहीं दे रहा, और कुछ नहीं. तो उसको क्या बोलता है जो लड़का थोड़ा सा उनमें से बड़ा होता है कि ठीक है खिलाते हैं ना, तू अभी थोड़ा पानी लाने का काम कर. He is happy in that. Serve others. सेवा करें. I am reminded of a story of Narayana Krishnamurti. This man was a senior chef with Taj Hotels in Bangalore, an excellent chef, so good that Taj Hotels chose him specially to be posted to their new chain of hotels in Geneva. He took leave from the hotel, came to his hometown of Madurai, saying that I will seek the blessings of Mahalakshmi Mandir there. That is our deity. Next morning, 6 o'clock, Narayan and Krishnamurti, his father and his mother, sit in their Omni van and go to the Mahalakshmi Mandir. And just 10 minutes later, when they are at the steps of the Mandir, he gets out of the car, the parents get out of the car, he sees a man mentally deranged, about 50 years, eating his own feces, his own human waste. Look at the condition of humanity outside a temple. लाखों लोग रोज जाते हैं, किसी को वो दिखा नहीं दिखा, किसी ने अपना 2 रोटी दे के खत्म कर दिया. It moved Narayan and Krishnamurti. He said, is this my destiny to go to Geneva, where people will spend 5,000 rupees each for one person's meal, or can I do something better? He told his mother and father, you all go to the temple. I have found my temple. With the 25 rupees that was in his pocket, he went, bought warm, freshly made idlis with sambar, brought it to the man and offered it to him with love, not rakh diya. Please mark the words. Offered it to him with love to eat. That man, mentally deranged, got frightened. He had not experienced such love. लोग आजकल प्यार से भी डरते हैं. In one of my last talks, we said a very emphatic statement I made: love never dies. We make it end because we do not have the power to tolerate it. We don't know how to handle love. It suffocates us, strangulates us. So Narayan and Krishnamurti fed this old man with his hands sent his resignation letter to Taj Hotel कि I am not coming back, I am not going to Geneva. Please treat this as resignation. Stayed there. Every morning 4 o'clock, he would cook with his own hands. He was a chef. Fresh idlis and dosas for mentally deranged people on the streets of Madurai, near the temple and elsewhere. Drive back. 11 o'clock, come back with a hot meal for these people. 6 o'clock, again do the same thing, single-handedly, till after a few days his sister joined in and some volunteer. Narayanan Krishnamurti has resolved that within 100 kilometers of Madurai, nobody, no mentally deranged person will ever be not attended to. He does it till this day himself. His name, his organization's name is Akshaya Trust. Go to it. This is what is known as Seva Bhavana. Quite like Mother Teresa. His karmic account is all plus, 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 plus. No negative. You were born to serve. You were born to spread happiness and joy among others. You were born to be use to each other, benefit to each other. Please remember that. If you ever ask yourself these 5 questions, what, where, how, when, why, this is what we are taught. कि कुछ भी जिंदगी में हो ये 5 सवाल पूछना, अपने आप से सवाल पूछो, what are you supposed to do? Good acts, when, now, where, here, why, if you need a why, to improve your karmic account. Who doesn't want a good karmic account? Anybody who doesn't want a good karmic account, please raise your hand. Nobody. Everybody. How? Each one through his good acts. कोई वहाँ पे सेवा कर रहा है नारायणन कृष्ण मूर्ति, कोई मदर टेरेसा की तरह कर रहा है, कोई बाबा आमटे की तरह कर रहा है. Whatever way. Find a way to do your karmas. And whom are you doing it for?
For the self.
This sort of selfishness is the best sort of selfishness. This is your competition with each other. If there be a competition, hold a competition कि कौन ज़्यादा करता है without pulling down the other chap. तू अपना कर, मैं अपना करता हूँ. वही कहावत है ना, shop till you drop dead. Instead of that, do good karmas till you drop dead. I am reminded of a story of Akbar. Once Akbar, grand, great Mughal emperor, if anybody has to be compared to him, his wisdom, his abilities, from the olden times you can easily do it only with Caesar or Archelaus, another king. He was holding his darbar, and in his darbar there were wazirs, ministers, and everybody lined up. And there was a point being discussed. Very serious point. First amongst the ministers was Birbal. So he asked, what is your suggestion? Birbal gave a stupid suggestion, or what appeared stupid to the Maharaja, to that king. अकबर ने आओ तेरे का ना ताओ, उसने बीरबल को एक चपट लगा दी उसके गाल पे. Birbal had a great presence of mind. He insulted me. What he called insult? What should people do? बीरबल ने
Second.
अगले आदमी को एक हल्की सी चपट लगा दी. दूसरे ने अचंबा में कि ये क्या हुआ, उसने तीसरे को लगाई और चौथे को, till it went up to the palace gates, दरबान पे. And the whole game continued throughout the evening, throughout the night. And Akbar is not aware. He can't even ask Birbal, why did you do it? लेकिन हिम्मत करके उसने पूछ लिया, Birbal, why did you do? Why did you slap the next person? Birbal said, my lord, you may get an answer by tonight. If you don't, I will tell you tomorrow morning. शाम को क्या हुआ? अकबर की महफिल लगती है, दरबार के बाद नाच गाना ये वो सब हुआ. And after the evening's function, Akbar Shahenshah went to his Khwabgah, a bedroom in those palaces known as Khwabgah, dream house. His Maharani of the day came, दो चार बातें हुई, and Maharani gave put a slap to Akbar, a hard one. So he says, यार तूने मुझे मारा क्यों? Maharani said, कि I was told you have started a game in the morning. The whole palace has played it. The whole kingdom has played it. My Dasi, my friends have played it with me, and they told me that the game will end with you. So please remember, this is from where Akbar realized the law of cause and effect, the law of karma. What you do comes back to you. You do not know why. तो अगर आपका बेटा, आपकी बहू, आपकी वाइफ, आपका husband, cousin, brother, and all these chaps who come to हिसाब कथा Braur have to be somewhere very close to you. किसी रिश्ते में होंगे, जान पहचान में होंगे, और कोई संयोग पैदा हो जाएगा. तो please, Akbar learnt his lesson through this way. कि everything is governed by the law of cause and effect and the law of karma. It happened in Himachal Pradesh. I was posted there. A young lady would cook chapatis and take it to the river bed every morning and sit there, and whoever passerby would go and would be hungry, she would feed him or her, any traveler. One day when she was sitting on the river bed, she found a beautiful glistening stone about as big as this. It was precious diamond. She picked up that stone, put it inside her sack. थोड़ी देर बाद एक ट्रेडर आया, ट्रैवलर आया. उसने कहा, माता मुझे भूख लगी है, कुछ खाने को मिलेगा? She said, opened her sack. She said, ये लो, बड़े प्यार से. When she was taking out these chapatis, the trader saw that gleaming diamond. He said, बुढ़िया, language change. बुढ़िया, तुम उसका क्या करेगी? तुम मुझे वो दे दे. बुढ़िया gave it to him. And she said, I bless you, be happy. The trader went away. शहर में गया. 3-4 दिन के धंधे के बाद वापस उसी रास्ते से गुजर रहा था. He stopped by that lady. He bowed down to her. He said, I want to give back this precious stone to you. Lady said, why? What has happened? He said, I want something more precious. She said, what? You ask. If I have it, I will definitely give it. If I don't have it, I will try and get it for you and give it. The trader said, Mata, give me that mind, that thought of yours which allowed you to give such a precious stone to me. Give me that thought. Give me that mind which allowed you to give such a precious stone to me. The lady smiled. The traders smiled and they parted. So in life, please remember, learn how to give. Ultimate detachment, good thoughts, more precious than your diamonds. Spreading joy to somebody, more precious than accumulating things. They are good, they are useful. To the sense you can use them and they don't start using you. Fill in this blank. खाली हाथ. खाली हाथ जाएंगे. Wrong. तुम्हारे हाथ में तुम अपने कर्म लेके आए हो और तुम अपने हाथों में कर्म लेके जाओगे. कोई खाली हाथ नहीं आता, कोई खाली हाथ नहीं जाता. ये सबसे बड़ा मिथ है. आप सब कर्म लेके आए हो, कर्म लेके जाओगे. अगर यहां भुगतान नहीं किया, हिसाब किताब बराबर नहीं किया. Can anybody read it?
The ultimate secret to change your destiny.
The ultimate secret to change your destiny. इस लाल पन्ने के पीछे लिखा हुआ है. And जो इसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है, all of you know it. You just have to take it out. And we'll play a small game. From each row, we will request one person to say what it is. Madam,
Change your thoughts.
change your thoughts.
It's very difficult.
Very difficult. Madam,
Give always blessings to others.
give blessings to others. Sorry, sir.
Be in the flow.
Be in the flow.
Be nice to people. Be nice to people.
Be nice to people.
Know yourself.
Know yourself.
Decision and act the secret of success.
Balkal, please remember, when we started this program, somebody said ki if you have done something in the past which has resulted in your present, you can do something in the present which will give you a future which you want. Which is why Swami Vivekananda said, arise, awaken, transcend, for it is your very nature to be more than what you think you are. What you are, you may be just a sabji wala today, a chai wala like Modi. What you think you are, you can be anywhere. You are the creator of your destiny. The laptop is not working, otherwise I had a picture from Europe of a huge sculpture where a man out of stone with a chisel and hammer is carving himself out. He is the maker of your own destiny. In fact, when I set up a management institute in Calcutta, whose director I was for the first time, that was the motto. And I replicated that thing to say, you are the maker of your destiny. Nobody else, no Pandit, no astrologer, nothing. तुम हो. जो तुम सोचोगे वो तुम्हारा होगा. Like the Buddha said, you are your thoughts. आप राजा बनने चाहते हो, बन सकते हो. आप संत बनना सकते हो, बन सकते हो. आप अच्छे कर्म करना चाहते हो, आप कर सकते हो. आप चोरी करना चाहते हो, you can do that also. Whatever you want. But remember, whatever you do, आप अपना खाता खुद लिख रहे हो. बैलेंस शीट आपने बराबर करनी है, गॉड ने नहीं. When we started the program, God is your parent. Just like you are a parent and cannot ever wish anything bad for your children, God can never wish anything bad for you. He will not. वो बहुत चालाक है, उसने अपने हाथ में अकाउंट रखा ही नहीं है तुमको पकड़ा दिया सर, फ्री विल दे दिया। भैया तुम जानो, तुम्हारा काम जाने, मैंने तुमको परफेक्ट भेजा है,
क्रिएट करके भेज दिया बस।
अब तुम जानो। शेप योर ओन लाइफ, शेप योर ओन डेस्टिनी, इट्स ऑल इन योर हैंड्स।
इसके लिए बोलते हैं ना, तूच तुझ्या जीवनाचा शिल्पकार।
बिल्कुल, तू तुझ्याचा शिल्पकार, यू आर द मेक, विच इज बाय दैट chiseling his own destiny in a statue in Europe. I hope these few words were of some inspiring use. I had a lot more to tell. I will seek permission from HELP, who again are doing seva. This is a form of seva, opening up a platform for sharing views. And if they allow me to do part 2, I have some more insights about practicality of how to use every day to improve your karma. Thank you so much. We'll do some question and answers if you what. Thank you very much.